Hey y'all, it is like 11 something in the morning and I am about to go get my lashes redone because they look a mess, very much outgrown, and they look atrocious, so it's time to get them redone. I thought it'd be fun to take y'all with me and do like a little maintenance vlog style, so you know, stay tuned.
I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do, that's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on.
So I just got my lashes done. This is how they look. I have glitter all over my face. It's fine. It's giving fireworks and I'm loving it because the 4th is right around the corner. So this is perfect. But I really like them. She did a great job, as she always does though. I normally tag the girls that do my lashes and hair and nails and stuff on my Instagram. So if you want to see who did my lashes and hair and all that stuff, then check out my Instagram. I should be posting it, or I'll just post it below in the description box. I don't really know, but I'm here for the glitter movements. I'm here. I love it.
The next day.
Good morning. It's a new day and I'm about to go get my nails done because I am missing a couple and they just look a mess now. But getting my nails done is probably my favorite thing to do because as soon as I get them done, I start talking about my hands and all that. So I'm very excited. I'm getting pink, so it's my favorite color, so that makes it even better. So yeah, I will take y'all with me while I get my nails done.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body says, my mind, my mind, my body, my body says, my mind, my mind, and my heart, my body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you.
Love it. It's giving everything I wanted to give. The pink, the sparkle, the little cross on it. Yes, that's gonna do it.
The next morning.
It's giving runaway slave, but I'm about to go get my hair done, so yeah. So my phone ran out of storage when I got there, so I couldn't record the process, but here's how my hair looks. I got some medium-sized knotless braids with blonde underneath for a peekaboo effect, and then I got a heart design on the side. She did really good with this. Hopefully I'll be able to replicate them when they look bad so I can fix them, but I'm not the best with edges, so we're gonna work on that. But everything's done. We're all glammed up. I got my hair done, lashes, nails, good to go. I'm about to go out, so that's why I'm all dressed up right now. Well, not dressed up, my makeup's done. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if I should do another one, maybe more in depth next time and actually have storage on my phone. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.